One day, Rahim, his younger brother Karim, and their friend Amina were returning from the mosque. Rahim said, "We should all recite the Quran every day. It brings peace to our hearts and draws us closer to Allah." Karim asked, "Brother, how did you learn to recite the Quran?" Rahim smiled and replied, "During our madrasa days, our ustadji would teach us new verses every day and explain their meanings." Amina added, "It's very important that we apply the teachings of the Quran in our daily lives. For example, speaking the truth, avoiding lies, and helping others." Karim, surprised, asked, "So if we follow these teachings, Allah will be pleased with us, right?" Rahim and Amina said together, "Absolutely. Allah loves our good deeds and showers His blessings upon us." Karim said, "Okay, then we will recite Quran Majid daily, and the command of Allah Ta'ala forbid." Thus, the three of them returned home, discussing Islamic lifestyle and teachings, and promised to follow the Quran's teachings in their lives.